Yes, no, I can tell you the answer if you don't know.
If you don't know, you can say no.
जैसे हम एक चीज को एम्फसाइज करते हैं, याद कर ले, यू आर एम्फसाइजिंग ऑन समथिंग. Pertinent is the importance of certain things, and English is the backbone for every country. अगर आपको शाइन करना है तो English speaking is your foundation. No foundation, no growth. Growth is limited. होएगी पर बहुत limited होएगी, right? And obviously all of you want to get good jobs, right? You want to make money? Money में तो थोड़ा तेज बोल दो.
So do you guys agree? So we started our journey with all of you 3 months back, almost 3 months back. So the way we started, if I talk about BTech, all of you guys are from 12th pass. If I talk about MBA and MCA, you all came through bachelors and now you are doing masters. Do you guys agree that the last 3 months journey which you guys had with us, with Infinity, there is a slight transformation happened when it comes to English speaking? Yes, no? I need solid yes. No, I can't hear this. I need solid yes. Good. So, this journey is not going to stop with this, right? I know next week all of you guys are going to practicals and then final exam, and by end of December you will complete your semester 1. But this journey of English speaking is not going to stop with semester 1. So we are going to continue this journey in semester 2, making sure that you guys get better day by day, and our objective is to make sure that all of you guys speak English in front of the public, in front of the world, without any hesitation, with full of confidence. So this is going to be our objective in semester 2 also.
So let me tell you guys one thing. हमने सिखाया, आपने सुना, बट अगर आप उसको यूज नहीं करोगे डेली लाइफ में, आपको कोई एडवांटेज नहीं मिलेगा. One time I was sitting with Dr. Gautam and he told me one thing. Bhavna, life is like ice cream. Life is like ice cream. If you taste it, it will still melt. If you don't taste it, it will still melt. तो बेटर है ना कि टेस्ट करके मेल्ट करने दें अपने माउथ में. Make sense? To the same way, we will come and teach you. But if you will not absorb that and use that and enjoy that, how it makes a difference in your life, then आपने वो waste कर दिया. So always remember that our job is to make you better, a better brand of yourselves. तो जितना आप हमसे लर्न करेंगे, उतना हम और एक्साइटेड और मोटिवेटेड होंगे आप लोगों को सिखाने के लिए. So we spoke about